Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We reached a milestone in our YouTube channel, gaining our 400 subscriber. So thank you very much to everyone who are subscribed. And all I can say is, wow. Let's go! Okay, so as I said, we have reached 400 subscribers, and I was contemplating on what to do to celebrate. I was thinking of making a 400 Silver Age team, but luckily, I don't know, maybe as a coincidence or an act of fate, perhaps, our good friends from WizKids sent us the Warriors of Wakanda box set, okay, or WOW. Wow. So this is a new Heroclix line. So 400 points of goodies, okay, in one box set, okay, and just appropriately to celebrate our 400 subscriber milestone. Okay, so on the side we have here T'Challa with the heart-shaped herb, and on the other side we have Killmonger and the Vibranium. Okay, so these are all figures from the Marvel Black Panther set. Okay, and then at the back we have Shuri, Black Panther, and M'Baku. Okay, so we also have here a quick description. Warriors of Wakanda, get ready for your next Heroclix skirmish with Marvel Heroclix 400. Warriors of Wakanda. Heroclix 400 is a great way to get a team of characters that are ready to battle right out the box. Together, these figures add up to either a 300 or 400 point team, so they are ready to take on an opposing force of any size. This kit features some of Wakanda's fiercest warriors like Black Panther, Killmonger, and M'Baku, utilizing powerful vibranium weaponry and channeling the power of the heart-shaped herb. Defend the mystical and ancient land of Wakanda against any threat. Okay, so it does a good explanation of what is in the kit. It's like a starter set, a mini starter set. So good for beginners who are fans of Black Panther and want to jump into quickly 300 and 400 point matches. Okay, so let's open it up. So there's a window, so what you see is what you get. So we have here the figures, as I said, are reused sculpt or same sculpt from the Black Panther main set, which is totally fine. But remember, they are of different number, set and number. Okay, so they might have the same sculpt, but um, technically they are different pieces. Okay, and that is critical, especially when we talk about um, Highlander format games, and of course, terrains are unique, but since they are technically different set number, these two uh, can be used with their counterpart in the main set. Okay, so learn how to play HeroClix by scanning this QR code or visiting wizkids.io/how to HeroClix. So let's jump into the figures. Okay. So again, thank you very much to our good friends from WizKids for sending us these items. And starting off with Black Panther. Okay, so they do have a yellow color scheme. So I don't know if that means they are super rares. All of them are super rares. Okay, so but the set is 400. Okay, so they're not limited editions, I guess. So I have to, if you know what's the reasoning behind that, then feel free to put it in the chat. Okay, but for now, let's focus on T'Challa, Black Panther with the Black Panther team ability that grants stealth. And he has Avengers, Defenders, Wakanda, Ruler, Scientist, Warrior keywords. A trait which is Bast Blessing. At the beginning of the game, add 3 Vibranium tokens to your sideline. Okay, that's really good. Instead of 2, usually add 2, but this one adds 3. Other friendly characters that share a keyword with Black Panther have the 400 set. If they already have the 400 printed on their base, modify their defense plus 1. Ooh, so if you play with Inset, it's defense plus 1. Okay, but now hopefully there's something more why the 400 matters. And the special defense power is reactive strikes. Combat reflexes, super senses, always good. When an adjacent opposing character misses Black Panther, after resolutions, deal 2 damage to that character. Okay, so, and he has that on click number 4 to 9. Okay, I was hoping more up. I was hoping he has that all the way through. Okay, but that's fine. And he has a special damage power, tactical genius, leadership, outwit. Okay, because he is Black Panther. When Black Panther uses leadership and succeeds after resolutions, he may remove an action token from a friendly character that shares a keyword with him. So you are potentially removing 2 action tokens from the one adjacent to you and from someone that you share a keyword with, map wide. And when Black Panther rolls or re-rolls a single d6, you may remove any one vibranium token from your sideline. If you do, re-roll that roll. Okay. So, and I guess that you can use that multiple times in one roll or re-roll. Okay, because it doesn't say once per turn. So potentially you can re-roll 3 because you have initially 3 um, vibranium tokens. Okay, interesting. So again, we're gonna use all of them at 100 points because we want full 400 points Wakanda goodie. So Wakanda. Let's go to the other Black Panther Shuri variant, BP002. Wakanda Scientist, Wakanda Herald Mystical Ruler Scientist Warrior keywords with the same team ability. A trait, Princess of Wakanda. At the beginning of the game, add 2 vibranium tokens to your sideline. So that's going to be 3 plus 2, 5 vibranium tokens initially for us. And then special defense power, Bleeding Edge Mantle. Super Senses, when Black Panther uses it and succeeds after resolutions, add a vibranium token to your sideline. So you just earn more and more vibranium. And a special damage power, Rapid Innovation. So that's Shuri. Exploit weakness, Perplex. When Black Panther uses Perplex to target a friendly character, you may remove any one Vibranium token from your sideline. If you do, after resolutions, place a targeted character up to 4 squares from their current square. So it's like you're doing a TK, a pseudo TK to your Perplex character. Okay, that's really good because it means uh, it's better than TK because you can place like giants. Okay, you can place multi-base figures, whereas for TK you can only place single figures. Okay, that's interesting. So and stealth, of course, for Shuri, just like her brother. Okay, 100 points also for you. Now we go to Killmonger. Symbiote, Wakanda Soldier Ruler keywords. I like the symbiote. That means free equipment, free Venom, I guess, in the future or for Silver Age. A couple of traits for Killmonger, repeated resurrections. When Killmonger would be KO'd, you may remove any 3 Vibranium tokens from your sideline. If you do, instead turn into click number 7, which is third from the KO slot. And Ruthless Exploitation is the other trait. When Killmonger hits, after resolutions, add a Vibranium token to your sideline. If an opposing character was KO'd by that attack, add 2 tokens instead. Okay, so he's going to be one of your primary attackers together with the T'Challa Black Panther with 12 attack and a special damage power. Let's see. Charismatic Rebel, Leadership and Prob. Your opponent's action total can't be increased. Wow. So that means either 300 for 300 only 3 actions or 400 4 actions only. And that's really strong. Okay. Special that's actually meta because you can play him at 60 points and no. He has that as a special damage power. So you might want to use him at full points. Okay. So 3 vibranium tokens for auto resurrect, and you can do that multiple times in a game. And finally, M'Baku, Masters of Evil, Wakanda, Ruler, and Warrior keywords, BP-004, a 400 set, Vibranium stockpile at the beginning of the game. Add 2 Vibranium tokens to your sideline. So we have 3 plus 2 plus 2, 7 Vibranium tokens, and a special movement power avatar of Gekre. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Hypersonic speed, when M'Baku uses it, before beginning either move, you may remove 1 Vibranium token from your sideline. If you do, place M'Baku in a square of hindering terrain up to 4 squares away from his current square. So effectively increasing his hypersonic reach. Okay, so as these are, all of these figures have Wakanda team ability, you might want to use them on a fully hindered map or a lot of hindering terrain. So to maximize as well M'Baku. M'Baku also has the special defense power Jabari Pride, Impervious. If M'Baku is on a Wakanda team, he can reduce penetrating damage, which again incentivizes you to play them all together as a team to be able to always roll that Impervious power. Okay, so great sculpt by the way for this M'Baku. You can see the details on the face. He's about to pound on somebody who does not bode well or have good intentions towards Wakanda. So, as part of the 400 point team, we're going to use the special terrain included in the 400 set. Vibranium is blocking terrain. When Vibranium will be destroyed by another effect, if it's on the map instead roll a d6. On a 1 to 2, destroy it and add the Vibranium token to a player sideline. On a 3 to 6, just add the Vibranium token. So meaning there's a 66% chance that this vibranium will not be destroyed. Okay, so it's like you're mining for vibranium. So which is again critical because of the synergy wise, you need this um, for your shenanigans like resurrection and super senses roll. And the other one, the heart-shaped herb, at the end of the play of each player's turn, heal any character friendly to that player occupying or adjacent to hardship herb one click. Okay, and as I said, these are different from the main set. They do the same thing, but you can technically use this and another hardship herb to heal two 2 clicks per turn if you're adjacent and or occupying one of them. Okay, so overall, very very good. I think uh, this is the first out of the 400 series of Heroclix. A great way to introduce new players for 300 and 400 point game. Okay, I'm just a bit surprised because I don't know why why this Black Panther is sharing the 400 point set number. Okay, so I was hoping to see a little bit more interaction on that, but maybe perhaps on the upcoming 400 sets that will have another sort of interaction. Okay, because I know we're looking at what you call this. We're looking at the Caps quartet. Okay, and probably in the future there will be more of these 400 sets. I think again it's a good idea. But what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And again, thank you very much, WizKids. And thank you to our 400 and I think more now subscribers. Looking forward to our 500 milestone. Bye bye.